welcome back to another video. I hope you are well and in good health. We are just a South African food content YouTube channel and we cook what we have in our houses. And don't forget that we try and fail, but we never fail to try. So keep trying. One day we're gonna be pros in cooking. Anyway, without any waste of time, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment and share the video. Now today we are cooking pap and DiAna's. Okay, disclaimer. If you don't like this, intestines or whatsoever, chicken feet and everything, please don't watch the content because we are not about to come here and comment. Okay, so on the other pot, you saw there's butter. Remember, in this house, we always cook our pap with butter, salt, and vinegar. Why? Butter to make it a little bit softer, salt, a little bit of taste. I don't know why they taught me like that. Vinegar, it's for your pap to last longer, especially during summer and hot days. Now, these are the intestines. Again, if you are a sensitive eater, please don't watch this video because we are going to cook chicken intestines with pap and cabbage. And those who grew up in South Africa, my good people, and especially the ones in the north side of the country. Is it Northern Limpopo? Northern province. Those who grew up in that side of the country know that this is our meat. This is our traditional dish. So please, if you don't like intestines, you don't like your chicken feet because they have nails, the same nails that you are doing, my sister. Hey, don't act now. So please don't watch this content. It's not for you. When I was like the ham and cheesy, the ox tail, the ox liver, because wow. So yeah, I'm just saying, my good people. So, but basically, please, if you don't like this intestines, don't watch. You know that I can become a preacher in cooking. I beg. So, famies, I'm already chopping the cabbage. Remember, in our previous videos, I used to say no. I don't like chopping cabbage and everything. I've changed my mind because every time when you buy coleslaw, a ready-made coleslaw or a ready-made sliced cabbage, it doesn't even take long. Within a period of 2 days, it's starting to turn into a black color that I don't know why. So I decided I'm not about to waste money. We are not working in this house. So I'm not about to waste money. Because I get to ropiwa. And I get to berakala the supermarket. I'm like, yeah, it's hard. Get it. And please make sure, in as much as I don't know how to chop nice, okay? In as much as I don't know, please, but hey, cabbage chopper nice. Cabbage is not like in your onions and everything. Chopper nice rincha di piece di kaka di bullet rijareta. So arnya ku jareta arnya ku jabu rigeti like it right. So while I'm still talking, like the video. If you can subscribe. If you don't want to subscribe, at least share it. If you don't want to share, at least comment. There are 4 options that you can support this content without paying anything. Even the president himself will never say bring money because you commented. So please, guys, your support, I really, really need it. So, if you are a regular, you know what, in this house we cook pap like this. I don't know how to cook the forok one. The fork one. Yes, foroko, I said it. The foroko and fork one, pap, type of a pap, the one that I will use a fork. So I'm still on this mode of lefetlo. I don't know what is lefetlo in English. I don't know this process in English. So you can Google it and comment down below so that next time I speak proper English, okay? Because my family, English is never my first language, okay? I touch and paste. So at the end of the day, yes, it's okay to go through the ups and downs in a relationship, but at the end of the day, the relationship must win. Love wins. So love conquers all. We must all conquer. We are more than a conqueror through Christ, my Lord. Anyway, I put a little bit of low heat and what is this? And cooking oil. Then please do not use water. Okay, cabbage is not as complicated as that relationship. There's no need for water. My sister, carry it small and nicely. Carry it soft, like a marshmallow. The way you want to be carried now. I beg you. So ke nna mola ke cheche ka cabbage yaka ke 2 cent. It's very small because I'm the only one who eats cabbage. My uncle doesn't like cabbage, and my brothers and sisters, though, they prefer coleslaw. So I'm not about to eat. Imagine intestines le maotana le mama nka coleslaw. Yo, but ratata actor shame. So ke nna mola cabbage yaka in lekane dinaka di lekane valiji. Akere the trumpets are enough for the blowers, if you understand what I'm saying. So I'm cooking already. The rest of the meat is boiling, and on the other side I bent my pan purposefully. So leave your pan to be a little bit bent with cooking oil. Aside, you're going to put your intestines. Why aside? Because if you put them together with the rest of the meat, they're going to be like, I don't know, dilo tatana. They are going to, sometimes you end up having a soup, the whole intestines, the rest of your intestines becoming a soup because they don't want a lot of water. The moment there's a lot of water, they become, I don't know, guys, I lost words. I can see it, but then I can't seem to find the right way. So today we bought aromat. Obviously it's here, that's why I'm using it. So just make sure that you don't put them at the same time the rest of your meat. You cook them aside, but then there is another way of cooking them, which I will share some of the good days, a way of cooking the same intestine and everything. I'll bring another method, don't worry. So ke namola ke a loisha ke tlhakantsha bogobe, and then we are back at it again. You see, it's cooking well and coming all right. Obviously, heat must be very low, because if you put it on a high heat or you turn your heat very high, it's going to burn, right? So ishape hey dira so in this format. Don't worry, don't think it will burn and everything. Just make sure that it's ready. And to show or to see that it's ready, o tshware lelana la hao o le try o le ngatha ka matsogo. If it acts like a rubber band, just know it's not yet ready. But then just know it's ready. So relata bothata bola ba onion. Yo moya nqele benya phimudi a leka. So relata bothata bola ba onion. O kgawana le onion matswang ga o ka re ngwatsa re keng. Yo jeso. So I'm sure by now you know our style of chopping. I don't like this thing of chopping as if we are going to get some awards. I'm not a chef, so as long as we are not chopping something that we'll have to pick it out when we eat now, we still have to separate things. Put it in a size that where now you'll be satisfied, and it will not be fully visible, because sometimes touch a pillow onion couple 80 Hashem hallelujah couple 80 hey our intestines are coming all right, they are cruising nice. Okay, then my different types of spices. Now, when it comes to spices, famies, I always say I don't like to showcase. Why? Because we don't prefer the same spices. Some people cook without spices due to health reasons. Some, they just cook whatsoever. Yeah, depending. So kuchejinyana a little bit. It was not clearly visible unless if I saw my eyes. Then now that everything is ready and we have boiled on the other side our intestine, our chicken feet, our hearts and everything. Obviously everything is chicken here. Then we mixing all together. Now the moment you mix them together, this is how they will actually look like. You're mixing everything together. And they're starting to correspond. You put your onion. You see, in as much as I don't know how to chop, at least we can't be perfect in everything. Obviously, there will be something you are lacking, but that doesn't mean you have to fold your arms. You try with a little effort that you put. Trust me, you will go way far. So I'm putting my different types of spices to make sure that everything is blending together. Hey, ha, my sister. Have you ever been in honeymoon? Have you ever been in honeymoon? Hey, that is nothing as compared to this meal. Oh, I beg you. That is nothing. Honeymoon wa sesilo monna. Ija bobe ka malana. Ore acha. Hey. Modimo ntshware. O chela acha. Honeymoon ya sesilo. Sushi. I beg you. So make sure that you put all the spices that you like, every spice that you like, but make sure that you don't put a lot of them because that can also be a harm to our bodies. Now that I'm showcasing everything just to show you that no, things are coming together. Your designers, everything is coming together. They are giving one color, one family, one love, yeah, one heart. Periphery, let's get together and be alright. Periphery, one love, yeah. And what's the relationship? We are about to celebrate relationship. Let's get together and be alright, yeah. One love, yeah. One heart. Look, Mutola, the boy is promising and the girl is saying yes. So everything looks good. It's coming all right. Kachela a little bit of my, what do we call this thing? But garlic kind of a thing, something like that. Garlic type of a thing. So probably maybe in one of the good days I'll just showcase it. But I always say I can't show you everything. You can't take all your bullets. Wait. You leave 2 bullets. 2. Hey, you don't use all your weapons. Put 2 aside. So yeah, everything is coming all right. Pepper, a little bit of pepper. The hearts are hearting. The feet are fitting. The intestines are saying, yebo, siabuma. Listen, radumela. You won. This was the best meal ever. Now, remember we were boiling the other parts of the sishebo on the other side. So this is the water. You don't throw it away. You put it aside. You don't throw it away. Yes, mala everything I blendile. Wabana wana le soponyana, musopo. Skadima ba to sopo. Make sure that I'll fetch sopo yeo. Skadima sopo. Lebona mara. It was nice. It looks good. We had a nice time. Whoa, balaba coleslaw shiba. Balaba grubela coleslaw. And not these are mine. Those ones were mine. Listen, I eat like that. So without anyway, okay, we wasted time already. Okay, thank you very much, famies, for watching this video. I really appreciate. May God bless you. If you have children, may God bless your children. If you are in business, may God bless your business. May God bless you at school. May you dominate, become what you want to become. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. Until we meet again, I love you, my families, and take a good care of yourself. Bye.